Here we are in e-learning in the ELA curriculum. We're going to find a Word doc. Let's go to the 4th grade modules, and we're going to choose Module 2A. And there is this zip file at the bottom. This has all the Word documents for that module.
So we're going to click on the zip file, and that will start to download. You can see it down at the bottom. Now that your file has downloaded, go ahead and click on it. Your downloads window will open, and we are going to click on the file, and we are going to drag it over to your Documents window. When this window pops up, you're going to click Yes, because you do want it to copy the folder without encryption. And you're just going to continue to click the Yes, or you could say do this for all the current items and click Yes.
Now we can move over to our documents to view that folder.
So in your Documents window, you will see the folder for the 2A. You can click in Unit 2.
And now you can choose which lesson you want to open. And here it opens. Now, we are going to scroll down to that yellow page.
And this is where your student pages usually start, so that's why we find this yellow page.
Okay, we're going to start with the page, the supporting materials, and let's delete everything above it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to click here and then just scroll up, get rid of all the teacher lesson pages. And hit delete.
So now we can work on getting rid of our headers and our footers.
So if you click on Insert and go over to Header, remove header. Oh, it got rid of the yellow. Nice, I like it. Now we have one more thing to do.
We need to get rid of those footers.
Click on Footer, we're on that Insert menu, remove footer.
Okay.
And that was just off that title page.
But that's okay.
We're getting there,
That's
Rosie.
right.
Okay, can we do it again?
So we're going to go to Insert.
So I just scroll down, Insert,
Header, and remove header. Insert footer and remove footer.
Now, let's see which page we would like to work with. And this is the one. So our next step is to delete the pages above it and below it. So I'm just going to click here and just backspace and scroll. Okay, they put a table in here. So I'm just going to click delete rows. This was our sheet. So can we scroll up and delete? So from here, we are at the top. And this is one page, and now underneath it, we're going to scroll down and delete these pages. You may have to tweak it a little bit, so I got behind here. So I'm going to move this up, and we're on one page, Rosie.
Woo, good job. Okay, so now we've got your document all into one page, and so now we're going to do File, Save As. We're going to save it onto the computer and in your My Documents. And this was in Unit 2A.
Job application.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and close it because we saved this one page. That was a lot of work, but hopefully it will be worth it. Now we're going to go back to our drive.
Now I think they're really going to like how fast this goes.
So let's open up our documents. And there's that job application. And just in another window, we have our drive. We can drag and drop it into our drive. You can see how it turns blue when there's an incoming file. So I'm just going to drop it in there.
So here you can see you have your Word document in your drive, and you're just going to click to open the Word document. And then at the top you see the open button. You just click to open it.
Just going to click on open.
And right now Google is converting that Word document to a Google Doc.
Nice. And you scroll down because sometimes it changes the formatting a little bit.
We have one final step. We need to click up there where the file name is, and we need to rename it by taking out the .doc.
Just gets confusing. Click back on our drive, and I'm going to close this.
So in your drive, you do see that you do have two of the same file.
I might just get rid of that Word doc. So I have it highlighted, and I'm going to click remove so I don't confuse myself.
So now that you've converted that over to a Google Doc, your students, when they open it up on a Chromebook, they will be able to write on it.
This is not an easy process, but we hope that you are able to complete it if you choose.